Hey, this is Bill Sweeney from Guy and the Blog, and I am here to talk to you today about Autel Robotics EVO quadcopter drone with 4K camera. As you can see, it's a beautiful machine. But how about instead of me getting too much into detail here, we just go check it out outside. Let's do it. And away we go. This is the Autel Robotics EVO quadcopter drone. You can see the great full-color video panel on the controller that gives you real-time view of the terrain below. 4K camera, smart controller, OLED screen, 4.3 miles of range and up to 30 minutes of flight time on one battery and a top speed of 45 miles per hour. Front, downward, and rear obstacle avoidance, smart autopilot flight modes, and some awesome footage. As you can see, we love it. Hope you do too.